Learn English to Mauritian Creole language in the context of true love story between Abishek and Trisha. At tuition, I met my friend Angel. I barely knew her, but we became very good friends in a very short time. Dans les sons, Mone zuen mon camarade Angel, me pas si trop connu, mais nous vîmes bien bon camarade dans ça petit moment-là. I told her everything about Abishek, how I gifted him his birthday gift, and how we became attached with each other so much. Mone dit tout zafer lo Abishek. Comment Mone donne ce cadeau anniversaire et comment nous attaché à chacune autan. The whole weekend passed where Abishek would come to meet me even after school, even if he had a tiring day at work, he would come to see me. En semaine, in passé, que Abishek vin guide-moi après lekol si. Karméme, passe en la journée fatiguant dans travail, vin soigne-moi. Sunday arrived. I met Angel again. She came smiling at tuition and said, I have something to tell you. She said, do you know who Abishek is for me? I replied and said no, and she kept me in suspense. Dimanche in arrivé. Mon rejoint Angel. Lin vin leçon ririer et lin dire mo ena en zafer pour dire toi. Lin dire moi te connais qui s'en ça Abishek pour moi. Men répondit non. Et lin garde-moi dans suspense. Please share, like and subscribe if you want to know more of our beautiful love story. Thank you.